Hello. Last time we learned the subway and buses. But once you arrive, what if you can't find the way? Today we learn how to find your way. Here at Seongsan Ilchulbong in Jeju. The first thought in an unfamiliar place.
여기가 어디예요?
Where am I? The most basic phrase for asking where you are. Even with a map you're not sure. Then you say,
길을 잃었어요.
I'm lost. Don't worry, just ask.
길,
Means a road or a way.
길을 잃다.
Get lost.
길을 묻다.
Ask the way.
길을 건너다.
Cross the road. Today's core word. To approach a stranger, start with,
실례합니다.
excuse me. This one word makes people happy to help.
길 좀 물어봐도 돼요?
May I ask for directions? Ask politely and Koreans will gladly help you. The magic phrase from last lesson returns.
어떻게 가요?
How do I get there? It works anywhere. Add your destination.
성산 일출봉 어떻게 가요?
Just swap the place name and it works anywhere. Today's keyword.
오른쪽,
Right. This direction is.
오른쪽.
Comes up constantly in directions. The opposite is.
왼쪽,
Left.
오른쪽, 왼쪽.
Learn them as a pair and you won't mix them up.
으로.
Marks direction.
오른쪽으로 가세요.
Go right.
왼쪽으로 가세요.
Go left. That's how you'll be guided. But a problem. They spoke too fast and you didn't catch it. If you just nod and go, you'll get lost again. Don't be shy.
다시 말해주세요.
Please say that again. This phrase is your lifeline today. Even better.
천천히 말해주세요.
Please speak slowly. Then they'll speak nice and slow for you. Keyword.
똑바로.
Straight. Keep going forward without turning.
똑바로 가세요.
Go straight.
쭉 가세요.
Means the same. In real life you'll hear this one even more often. Keyword.
건너다,
To cross. To go to the other side of a road or bridge.
길을 건너세요.
Cross the road. Wait for the green light at the crosswalk then cross.
돌다.
Means to turn to change direction like at a corner.
오른쪽으로 도세요.
Turn right. Now you can combine direction words with verbs for full directions.
사거리.
Is an intersection where four roads meet. It's a key landmark in directions.
신호등.
Traffic light is another great landmark.
신호등에서 왼쪽으로 가세요.
Turn left at the light. People also use buildings.
편의점에서 오른쪽으로 가세요.
Turn right at the convenience store. You'll hear this a lot. When you understand, say,
알겠어요.
I got it. And don't forget to say thank you.
감사합니다.
You should also ask the distance.
얼마나 멀어요?
How far is it? Then you know if you can walk. The answer is one of two.
가까워요.
It's near or
멀어요.
it's far. Learn them as a pair. They may answer with time.
걸어서 10분이에요.
10 minutes on foot. Oh, that's close.
근처.
Means nearby.
이 근처에 있어요.
It's near here. For positions.
앞,
Is front.
뒤.
Is back.
건물 앞에 있어요.
It's in front of the building.
옆,
Is beside.
사이.
Is between.
편의점 옆에 있어요.
It's next to the convenience store. Use position words to make plans.
매표소 앞에서 만나요.
Let's meet in front of the ticket booth. Finally, there it is, Seongsan Ilchulbong. We found the way. Now let's go up to the top.
올라가다,
means to go up. The opposite is
내려가다,
to go down. Seongsan Ilchulbong has a lot of stairs. Let's climb them one by one. Honestly, it's tough. You can say,
힘들어요.
it's hard. Let's take a short break.
조금만 더,
Just a little more. What you say to encourage each other. Almost there. We did it.
다 왔어요.
Means we've arrived. Wow, the crater and the sea in one view.
경치가 좋아요.
The view is beautiful. Just comes out naturally. But now it's reversed. A tourist is asking me for directions. Time to use what we learned. Say it with confidence.
저기로 똑바로 가세요.
Go straight that way. Using today's word.
똑바로. 그리고 왼쪽으로 도세요.
Then turn left. Now you can use direction words freely.
다리를 건너세요.
Cross the bridge. Perfect. Now you can both ask for and give directions. Let's review.
오른쪽,
Right.
왼쪽,
Left.
똑바로,
Straight.
건너다.
Cross.
다시 말해주세요.
You'll never be lost again. Isn't the sunrise at Seongsan beautiful? Great work today. See you next time.